Hey, I'm Ian. I read books on EDU Kidspace, and I'm also a dungeon master and a teacher and a resource developer. And so I've been making like a character creation kit for D&D 2024, and it's very fun. But I am looking at a different system today, and it's not Born from Ice that I'm using for my Stone Age D&D podcast. It is a new way of playing D&D entirely, not just in the Stone Age, called Nimble. And I've been waiting for the print release for a while, and I've been looking at some of the stuff that they've put out, and I'm very excited about it. So I'm going to open it, and love that their packaging is just basically a paper envelope with a teeny bit of padding. So the Nimble Game Master's Guide, a fast, tactical TTRPG. The core rules book, it is notably thinner than the player's handbook for D&D of any edition, I think. And heroes, which is, I assume, characters or... Oh, I love that they don't waste any space, just right on the inside cover. You get character creation, basic steps, and how leveling up works, or, yeah. So I think maybe this is where you make your character, and then this is how your characters fit into the game, the rules. And this is the Game Master's Guide with the stuff for me. And oh, I'm so glad that the first page I opened it to was the owlbear, because they clearly still have an owlbear, which I was worried that some of my favorite stuff wouldn't be in there from D&D. So I'm very much looking forward to trying out this system with the group of kids that I do games with. Okay, here again, the rules just start right on the front cover. Quick start rules, all right there, one page. Resting, most of a page. Assess, what is that? Ask a question. We'll figure that out later. Okay, good. There are oozes in this game. Table of contents, start here, core rules, combat. Combat is a total of 4 pages. Resting and downtime, character creation. Character creation is 3 or 4 pages. Ancestry and background. That's a little bit longer. Okay, so I guess there's a few more options there. About 10 pages. And then equipment, more options again. It goes till 44. And then spells, optional rules. Start here. Okay, how to be a good player. Core rules. Okay. Yeah. Game Master's Guide has conditions right on the front cover, so you know how to deal with different situations in play. Cover and hiding, grappling, concentration, gold per level. Okay. Healing potions, skill is, yeah, everything is just immediately, I haven't even turned a page yet. Skill checks, lodging boons. Lodging boon. Spending 10 or more gold on lodging can grant... I'm trying to read this upside down. Always love a good skeleton. Advanced Game Master Tools. Okay, that's 12 pages of resources and explanations. I'm curious to see how quick that is to read through and get the ideas. Adventuring rewards, monsters, bestiary. Great. So monsters, how to run monsters, and then a bunch of actual monsters. Not that many, sorry, Sophia. I am assuming there are simple ways to like convert monsters and stuff from other D&D systems into this. But Valley of Hope, what is Valley of Hope? Is this, all right, these are specific places. Okay, so they have their own lore, their own kind of mythology within this world. And I know they have their own magic system too. That must be in this one. Heroes. So character creation. Okay, right away you've got your basic steps of creating a character, how leveling up works. some stuff. I don't have interest in anything except for just getting to what you can do with this game. So, all right, Berserker looks like a barbarian analog. The cheat, maybe something like sneaky backstabbing. So that's the rogue. Commander, hunter, mage, oathsworn, shadowmancer, necromancy, wizardy kind of thing. Maybe warlock. And it is getting too dark to keep filming in my backyard. Anyway, I am very excited to try out this system with the group of kids that I run a game with. And Sophia, you need to give it your final review. Come here. Come here. Hello. What do you think? Do you want to play? Is there a tabaxi in this? Tabaxi equivalent? Sophia? All right, she likes it. Let's play Nimble.